Paano hindi mapagod sa pag-share ng learnings? Nakakabilib ka. Hi, I'm Mary, and I teach people how to start working from home. I have been creating contents about how to start working from home since 2015, and kahit anong pilit kong mag-isip ng mas malalim na dahilan, wala ko ibang maisip kung hindi. Tamad kasi ako. And I don't like repeating myself. And so, because of the katamaran combined with the way that my brain works, which by the way, took some time for me to actually realize, I started following different structures, tested out what works, and then had to stick to it. I started doing build, which is doing something good for your body, doing for yourself, doing something good for your investment or money-making side of business, doing something good for your loved ones, and doing something good for self-development. And then I combined it with Eisenhower technique. Super simple lang siya. Like in my brain, I would divide my tasks into 4. So kung di nyo pa nagagawa to, may 4 quadrants. The first quadrant is the urgent plus important. So yung kailangan mong gawin ASAP. And then the next quadrant is important but not urgent. And so ito naman yung mga bagay na i-schedule mo. And then the next quadrant is urgent but not important, or in my case, pwede kong i-delegate sa iba. And then there are things that are not urgent and not important. Ito yung mga walang value, yung mga hindi aligned sa biggest why mo. Yun, totally inaalis ko na siya. When I started doing this, I used to write them down. Pero ngayon, kahit naglilinis lang ako ng, let's say, cabinet, I would divide yung bed, which is usually dun ko nilalagay yung mga damit. I will divide it into 4 quadrants. Tapos alam ko na kagad kung alin-alin at saan pupunta. Yung pagpasok ng 2026, I tried something a little bit more complex, pero with the same system. So combined yung build and yung Eisenhower. At the start of my day, I usually have my spiritual clarity, I will have my environmental clarity, I'll have my financial clarity, physical clarity, and mental clarity. With all of these things combined, you would think parang mas naging complicated yung buhay ko. Parang lalong humirap. No. Kasi for things as simple as, let's say, content creation, hindi na kagaya ng dati na nag-film ako or nagpo-post ako araw-araw, ibinabatch ko na yung contents ko. Ibinabatch ko rin yung learnings. And I actually do have, maunti pa to, but I have 3 notebooks. So this one is my daily journal, schedule and everything, feelings and all, nandyan. I have my learnings journal, so every time that I learn something new, I will write them down, the concept and everything. And I do have my contents journal. So it's there. I know for a fact, nagagawin ko yan. Every Sunday, I also do my weekly anchor. And because I know what to do, when to do, and what are the urgent items that I need to do for the day, hindi ako nahihirapan. Alam ko sa sarili ko, and as long as I'm able to do the build, productive na ako nun. Alam ko na kung hindi ko man magawa yung mga items na important but not urgent, that is okay as well. Compared to when I started in 2015, hindi na ako napapagod because I'm able to regulate my emotions, lalo na doon sa mga low impact or totally walang value, hindi ko na pinapansin yon. Organize yung utak ko. I choose systems over stress, structure over sacrifice, clarity over chaos, and at the end of the day, you'd have to ask yourself, what is your biggest why? When it comes to content creation, my biggest why is, let us go back to my original answer, tamad kasi akong magpaulit-ulit ng sagot. So if anybody would ask, I'll just refer them to probably a video of how to do this, and that. So, mas nakakapag-save ako ng time and energy. Before, yung mga friends ko lang, or anak ng friends ng nanay ko, or anybody who would ask how we are earning from home. Pero this time, mas malaki na lang yung community natin. So, at the back of my head, whenever I feel tired, I just have to remind myself that what I am building serves me, my family, and the people that I lead. And if you know what your biggest why is, madali na lang lahat eh. Also, one last thing that I want to share to everyone. They said that it takes 21 days to build a habit, 90 days to make it a lifestyle. So if you want to do something na talagang alam mo sa sarili mo na gustong-gusto mo siyang gawin, you don't necessarily have to have a deep reason why. Just do it. Try it. If it doesn't work, at least you tried. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for my work from home chismis. Bye!